y'all, it's Mary, and this is day 4 of my 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar by Macy's, and that's this right here. And let's see what's in there. Day 4. So today is December 29th. And day 4 is way up here, and it's a skinny thing here up at the top. Let's see if I can get it open. I've been struggling a little bit with this one. Uh-oh. Okay. All right, there's a mascara in there. Okay. All right. This is super cute, y'all. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in a mini that is super cute. And this, you know, everybody claims this is one of the best mascaras. I have it. I'm using it right now, actually, and it is pretty good. Not my very favorite, but it's a good one. So that was nice to get. That's a nice thing to get. And then I have for the treasure hunt, we have the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. That is this, and I'm also going to put in the Butter Charcoal Detox Mask. Now this is, all right, stop moving. It says for soft blue, for soft, clean, and renewed skin. And this is a charcoal detox mask. If you can see it, it does have a little seal, and it's that's what it looks like inside. So there, you know, it's only like half full in there, y'all. I mean, I think there's only really one application, but this is a nice glass jar. I don't know why there's so little in there. They should have filled it more. But it's a nice little, nice little sample to see if you like it. That's a good brand, a good skin brand. So there's that, and that is it. And if you hear all that noise, that's my heat. I can't wait. Well, actually, by now, it's much better here weather-wise. How about by you? Y'all tell me what's going on with you. And, you know, I never had any power outages. They were doing rolling blackouts by me, but it never got to my area. I think because even though I live in a town, the next town over is the big main town, and I think they must have done it there. And you know, so it didn't affect my house. I have troubles with my house, with my heating situation and my roof. So I do have some issues. So, but you know, hopefully I'll be getting that looked at and worked out soon. And I hope that y'all fared well through the weather. I don't know. I think it's still cold up north. So I hope y'all are safe, and I hope y'all had a wonderful Christmas as well. And I'll talk to y'all later. Count your blessings. Bye.